Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm back with another video, and today I'll continue with the client script which I've left off in my previous video. So the first I would like to say is there was some error which was coming previously. There was one mistake which I have already rectified. The mistake was that I didn't add the function here. Okay, that is why that red cross was coming, so I forgot this function, and inside this function there will be sputal.update and scope. Okay, if you haven't noted down, then kindly note this down, otherwise an error will come and nothing will be visible. So till now, after this color has been added, if I just preview after removing that red error, this problem associated with users, this is coming at least. Okay, now moving to my x-axis and y-axis which I have left off. So first comma will be here, and then I'm removing all these three from here. Now first I will write x-axis, and inside it will be categories. So these categories will be coming from my server side. So I will just give this comment c.data.categories. Next will be title. If you want, you can add the title in the x-axis, but over here I will not write, so I will just give null. And then it's label. I will make it true, so enabled true. And this is the end of my x-axis. Now moving to my y-axis. First min 0. Next is your tick interval. Tick interval means 0, 20, 40, like this, the interval. So I will make it as 20. You can make it 10, it's up to you totally. Tick amount will be 10. Next comes your title, and in here also I will give null. If you want, you can add, and it's end of y-axis as well. Now legend, which I have already mentioned in my report video. If you haven't seen that, kindly go and watch that, because legend, if you want, you can enable it true or false. We will check once everything will work fine. It legend basically means in the bottom, if any point or any this gray one is for match and red one is for no match, then it's totally legend which comes in the bottom. And at the end I will write series will also come from my server side. So over here I will write c.data.series. Okay, now after this I will close this, and I will write function inside this chart. Now I will write set interval function, and before the bracket closes I will open another bracket. So if chart dot axis if equals to chart SLA. We don't have SLA, we have aging. So I'm mentioning it if you want you can mention, otherwise it's for dynamic one. So dot series at 0 dot set data, D should be in caps, C dot data dot series at 0 dot data. So I hope you understand the meaning of this, because at series 0 I just want the data which is coming from the server side to be placed in this chart. This is the meaning. Now else if, so I'll just copy and instead of chart SLA I will write chart aging, which was given by me in HTML as well as in the client script above. Same thing will be there, it's just instead of data dot series I will give pause series here. Okay, pause underscore series. Now the same thing I will just copy and paste it here. So instead of chart aging I will give chart SLA remaining, SLA remaining. Okay, and chart SLA series. Instead of pause series it will be SLA series. Okay, um, then after this we will give comma and we will add this 3000, this timeout. Okay, after this I will give this bracket and semicolon. After this and this, two brackets should be closed. I hope there shouldn't be any error. Yeah, now we can save. Let's see what's coming in the preview. So nothing is coming because I haven't passed anything in the pause series yet. Okay, which will be coming from my server side. So wait for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.